My name is Gavin Coyle. I am the CEO of Coyle Group. There was two life-changing events that happened for me. I witnessed a fatality on a project where it was one of our own guys. A young labourer had fallen headfirst into a hole, and we had to take him out of the hole, and I travelled with him in the ambulance to the hospital. And unfortunately, that poor guy died a day later, and that was a real trauma shock for myself in terms of I was young, I was only starting off in my career, but little did I know, but within 24 months, my younger brother drowned along with two of his friends, where they were just throwing a ball to each other at a beachside in the west coast of Ireland, and a freak wave came in and swept them out to sea. So I suppose in terms of my focus on health and safety, I developed a very high sense of empathy for people and risk within the workplace. And I suppose I became very focused on what I wanted to achieve within health and safety. And so today, 20 odd years later, I own Coyle Group, which is a health and safety outsourcing business. So a lot of our work is supplying premium health and safety professionals into the utilities and energy sector. And so I always felt that we were leaving out the middle market or the small to medium enterprise market, because a lot of companies would come to us and they weren't able to afford the premium type safety people. And it was something that kind of struck me, that I wanted to be able to help that particular type of customer, but I just could never fully get a real sort of business proposal or plan together for small to medium enterprises. I wrote a book called Workplace Safety on a Budget, which is a book for everybody, regardless of whether you're a small to medium enterprise, a large enterprise, a graduate safety professional, or a more seasoned safety professional. And the book explains my experiences of how to reduce costs with regards to health and safety in the workplace. And it's a taboo subject. People generally stay away from saying, you know, oh my God, you're cutting costs on safety, therefore you must be an unsafe company. Our book dispels all of that myth, because what we're saying is we want you to repurpose your money in an efficient way so that you can put in that saving of money into more areas that are more focused on improving your health and safety standards in the workplace. So our book will teach you all the different aspects of health and safety within your business that you can look at and then evaluate and make a saving for your company, so that your company becomes more like a profit center. And we like to call this the business of safety. And nobody's talking about the business of safety, but we want people to go into the boardroom and actually have a profit center mindset or a profit center model that you can present to your board of directors or to your CEO or your managing director and say, look, I think we can reduce our safety spend by up to 50%. However, I would like that money repurposed into things like, let's buy better equipment that's safer equipment. Let's invest in technology that'll make our job more efficient. And we have some great examples and case studies of where we worked with companies and we were able to save them. In one case, a company saved over €1 million in regards to our business of safety model. When we talk about the business of safety, these are the conversations that we want to talk to people about in terms of redesigning, re-engineering your structure from a safety mindset that can actually create more profit for your business, which means there's more money available to do better things within your business.